Stop right there. Are you completely overpaying for slow web hosting? I have been using Hostinger for last 3 years experience. I'm going to show you exactly why it's the best value hosting for beginners and small businesses in this last 3 years. Stick around because I'm also share a secret discount link that gets you the absolutely lowest price. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving to my honest in-depth review about Hostinger. Hostinger is the best, cheapest, valuable web hosting company. There are so much very good for a small business and WordPress web hosting, any type of hosting and any type of domain for using for any business. So I'll show you why best is Hostinger. Last 3 years I am using this Hostinger for my business, my website. I'll show you why they are special for other. So they provide any type of hosting for your business. They provide WordPress hosting, web hosting, cloud hosting, agency hosting, so many options there are. And also they provide hosting for WooCommerce. So you want to blog website hosting, any type of hosting you can take from there, and they provide very cheapest price, and you will get their basic price, any type of price I'll show you. So this is lowest pair, and they have website AI website builder, e-commerce website builder, and BPS web hosting, and also domain name search, domain transfer. They are so much easy, not so competitive. They are so much easy for your website. I'll show you how they are provide package price. I'll show you everything. So first we will check their WordPress web hosting, then I will check another one. So I'll show you last 3 years I'm using this web Hostinger. There are so much, and I every day when I face any problem, I knock them, they are replay same time. So they're very good, and there are provide WordPress hosting, Black Friday sale, free domain with website migration, quickly set up, easy to scale, only $2.49 per month. $2.49 per month. Then we will check their package price, then I will then we will understand. This is their price. They have premium, business, cloud, startup, three package for a website. So basic premium price only $2.49 and 3 months free also. Then they provide premium price 3 website and 20 GB storage, free domain for 1 year, and email marketing tools. Keep every site safe with free SSL for 3 website. They provide free SSL for 3 website. Also enjoy having WordPress site maintained you for everything they are provide. This is basic price only $2.49 per month. This is very cheapest or others companies. And their business price, most popular business price, $3.29 per month, 3 months free, and 50 website also, and 50 GB storage, and daily demand backup. Also create ready WordPress site minute with AI and AI agent for WordPress free. So business price is so much most popular their option. So I hope you get most popular business package. 50 website you will add this hosting, and also you will get free domain. So there are so much option, and cloud startup is very professional for any business. This is one for business, and per month $7.49, and also 3 months free. 100 website you can create this hosting. You can using this hosting all for 100 website and 100 GB storage, 10 mail per box website, 3 GB RAM. So much option in there. So I hope you understand their hosting price. We also another one. So their pricing I already show you. So they provide 24 hours support, customer support. You can any place you face any problem, you can contact with them. So I hope you understand and I will add this link on my description below. If you will use this link, you will get so much discount, 80% off discount in this link use if you will using this link. So I hope you understand. So this is very professional, and there are 24 hours is support you. So I hope you understand. I will add this link on my description below. You can buy your web hosting for Hostinger. I last 3 years I'm using their service, very professional. I hope you understand. I will add this link on my description below. This video will help you. Please like, share and subscribe our video. Thank you so much.